Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I cannot lie as I stand before the judge. This car is gorgeous, which you can see for yourself. This is a factory-born, red-on-red, genuine GTO Judge 4-speed, numbers match motor, body off frame, total restoration. It's gorgeous. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll see pictures top to bottom, all the specs and pricing on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. So go to volocars.com. For right now, why don't you come with me and I'll take you for a spin in a 1970 GTO The Judge. I don't always like red on red. It works this time. The two reds are very, very close. They're not fighting each other. I think it's stunning. I love it. It's got the reproduction tires, completely restored Rally 2s with the correct lug nuts and the correct center caps. No trim rings. That's how they came. Reproduction wide oval tires. Got all the Judge stripes, the wing, of course. The chrome bumpers redone, new stickers. The rear window is real clear. The door jambs are beautiful. All the weather stripping and window seals are replaced. And like I said earlier, check out the underneath of this car. It's as glossy underneath as it is on top. It has all the stickers and markings that it would have gotten going down the assembly line. So this thing is really restored and detailed. And I tell you what, the car feels real good. I just drove it. The seats are all re-cushioned. They feel real nice. Clutch just goes in and out of gear. Feels real good. The motor ran nice. So the car really feels good and looks good. Front rubber bumper is beautiful. No damage on the front here. There is a hairline crack right there, a straight one, which honestly isn't noticeable, but it is there. Let me open the hood. This is the Ram Air 3. The Ram Air is all functional. It's all detailed out. The right manifolds. It has Ram Air exhaust, the chrome valve covers. Everything in here is all redone. Spring clamp battery cables, Delco battery topper, does have power steering, power brakes, new booster, new master, new wiper motor, new alternator. The interior is completely restored. The chrome trim around the seats, the headrest, the carpet, the headliner, it's all been redone. You got the reproduction floor mats, all new door panels, window cranks. Trunk compartment's all restored. Has a rally wheel for a spare. That's all painted. Has the jack assembly. All clean metal, all painted up nice. Got decals, got the new weather strip. They come with the T-handle shifter. This does have the gauges with the tachometer in the dash. Deluxe steering wheel. So I don't know if I mentioned or not, but we have the Pontiac Historical documentation. So right from Pontiac, we know this was a red-on-red GTO Judge factory 4-speed car. It is the VIN number match motor that matches up to this car, and the casting and date codes match up as well. It's a stunning car in anyone's collection. This is one of those going to stand out among the others. Everything fits nice, shuts nice. Oh, horn works. So go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people, and they're willing and able to help answer your questions, concerns. We have shipping, we have financing, we can help with all of that. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these awesome cars first as we put them out. So I appreciate your time, and keep on watching. A lot more great cars to come. Thank you.